Place car seat front facing on the back seat. Pull the vehicle's seatbelt webbings and insert it on car seat's armrest. Thread the car seat belt through the seatbelt route slot in the seat's plastic backrest furthest from the car seat belt buckle, and then out through the other seatbelt route slot. Insert seatbelt tongue in vehicle's seatbelt buckle. Make sure that it doesn't move more than 1 inch in any direction. Place car seat front facing on the back seat. Pull the vehicle's seatbelt webbings long enough, then insert seatbelt tongue in vehicle's seatbelt buckle. Feed the diagonal portion of the seatbelt through the red seatbelt lock. Place car seat front facing on the back seat. Pull the vehicle's seatbelt webbings and insert it on car seat's armrest.